Hello? Oh, hi, Victor. How's everything going in Puerto Rico? Oh, it's great to hear. Hey, Victor, I think I see a Chinese weather balloon flying over my neighborhood. It's just one. Huh. Kind of crazy. Oh, you think it's spying on me? Why would the Chinese be using a balloon to spy on me when they have satellites that can read street signs? No, I'm not poo-pooing your idea. I just think it's kind of ridiculous that the Chinese would use a weather balloon to spy on me when they have satellites, you know. Oh, hey, Victor, see some people spying on me. I better run. Hey guys, I was just talking to my friend Victor in Puerto Rico, and he was telling me that he thinks the Chinese are spying on me with a weather balloon. See a weather balloon way up there in the sky. You probably can't see it in the GoPro, but I was telling him I'm not poo-pooing his idea, because he was telling me that he thinks they're spying on me. And I said, that's kind of ridiculous. Like, why would the Chinese be spying on me with a balloon when they have satellites or other ways to spy on me? I mean, they could send a spy out here with a camera and, like, you know, spy on me that way. Why would they be flying a weather balloon over my head? Doesn't make any sense to me. So I was telling him, look, I'm not poo-pooing your theory. I just think it's kind of ridiculous, right? So guys, do you know what the word poo-poo means? The advanced meaning of poo-poo. Okay, you probably know what poo-poo means as a noun. You know, the typical, typical word. Let's see if I can see any poo-poo here on the ground. Maybe I can find some rabbit poo-poo. But you know what poo-poo, there's so many words for poo-poo. Excrement, dung, some bad words too, S word, right? So, you know, that's what poo-poo means, the noun. But it's also a verb, which means to, like, kind of look down on someone's idea. You're kind of saying that it's kind of a stupid idea or a stupid theory. Right? We usually use this verb poo-poo when we're talking about someone's ideas. Okay, so you could tell me, Mark, don't poo-poo my idea. Okay, don't poo-poo my idea. That means don't criticize my idea, or don't think my idea is, like, ridiculous. Right? Because if I poo-poo your idea, I'm kind of saying that your idea is not worth considering seriously, right? That's kind of dumb, right? You think we should, you think we should take an umbrella out for our walk? It's sunny. It's not going to rain, right? It's kind of a dumb idea, right? So I'm kind of looking down on your idea. Then you could say, don't poo-poo my idea, Mark. The weather here in Alberta, it can change, very quickly, very rapidly. And it happens sometimes here in Alberta where it's, like, really nice and sunny, and then suddenly it starts to rain, just kind of out of the blue. The clouds roll in. It's like, clouds roll in and it just starts to rain, or it starts to snow or blizzard or whatever. Okay, so maybe it's not a bad idea, right? It's a good idea to bring an umbrella with you wherever you go. So, yeah, I'm not gonna poo-poo your idea, okay? If you think the Chinese weather balloon is spying on me, it's a good theory. I don't know. I don't know anything about these things. Maybe that's how they spy on people. So, guys, I'm just walking around here, enjoying the snow. And it's really bright today. Look at that bright sun and the cloud. The cloud. There is no cloud. There's a cloud over there, a cloud of smoke. Beautiful blue sky. And nice white snow. So guys, hope there's no poo-poo in your neighborhood. I just wanted to give you that quick tip, right? To poo-poo someone's theory. You know, you hear it sometimes. It's not the most common thing you hear, but it's kind of, it means to criticize someone's theory, or to kind of to neglect, or to discount. Hey, that's a good word actually, to discount someone's idea, right? Like let's say you're in a business meeting, and you have a good idea for your company, right? And let's say your idea is to, I don't know, give little cookies to your customers as a gift after they buy your product. You give them a little gift of cookies, and let's say your boss doesn't really, he doesn't really take your idea seriously. He just kind of discounts it. To discount it means like to kind of put it to the side. It's not a very important idea. Then you could go home after work, and you might be talking to your friend and say, I had a great idea. My boss kind of poo-pooed my idea. He poo-pooed it. That means he just, you know, he discounted it. He didn't think it was really worthy of consideration. So it's not nice to poo-poo people's ideas, right? But you hear that word sometimes, poo-poo. And yeah, so anyway, guys, there's the advanced meaning of poo-poo. Let me know, did you know it or did you not? If you didn't know it, smash that like button right down there. And well guys, that's it. Just a quick tip for today, and as always, I'll bid you farewell from beautiful Calgary, Alberta. There's a cloud of smoke and white snow and bright sun and blue sky. What a beautiful day, guys. I just love days like this. It's not too cold. It's about like maybe 1 degree out here, so it's chilly, but I'm not wearing my toque, so my ears are okay. They're not too cold. They're a little bit cold. But anyway, guys, I love you so much, and thank you for always watching my videos and for all your nice comments that you leave. I love the support that I get from you guys. It makes me feel special. So thank you so much, and have a great day. Stay safe, stay happy, stay healthy, and as always, I'll see you over in the next episode of Mad English TV. Take care.